Now that you have your logo, it's time to start putting it on everything. And in this video, we'll be discussing where you should be putting it, how you should be using it, and how you can use that to your advantage when it comes to building up your own personal brand. So let's just jump into it. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And if you're new here, my name is Jonathan Moore. I have a visual media company. I'm a creative entrepreneur, and I like to make videos like these for other creatives who are trying to build a life on their terms and get it how they live. So if that sounds like something that you're into, feel free to check out some of the other videos on my channel and even consider subscribing. So as we continue in this personal branding series, the last video that I just did was talking about how you can go about getting a logo created for yourself. Now, once you have your logo created, it's time to start putting it on everything and using it to your advantage. So in this video, I'm going to be explaining what you should be putting your logo on. Now, it seems pretty self-explanatory, but a lot of times I see people who have logos for their business and they're not really getting it out there and branding themselves. So in this video, we're going to be discussing where you should be putting your logo and how you can use it to your advantage. So for starters, the question is, where should you be putting your logo? And the answer is basically wherever it makes sense. You should be putting it on shirts. As you can see on my sweatshirt, I have my logo. I also have it on my hat, but it doesn't stop there. You can put it on t-shirts, mugs, hoodies. You can put it on stickers. You can put it on magnets. And the great thing about putting it on things like stickers and magnets is that they're cheap to make and they're easy to give out. Also, if you have a business card, you should be putting it there. If you have an email signature, you should be putting it there. There's a bunch of different creative ways that you can use your logo and put it out there for everybody to see. The interesting thing about having your logo plastered all over everything is that people will start to perceive your business as bigger than it actually may be. When you're just getting started, especially as a freelancer, a solopreneur, you're usually just a one-person crew. But for some reason, when people see your logo on a t-shirt, they see it on a mug, they see it on a hat, they see it on a sticker, all of a sudden, they believe that you're more official than you actually may be. Now, I'm not taking anything away from you, and I'm not saying that you're official, but whatever it is, if you have a t-shirt that you can give to somebody with your logo on it, all of a sudden, you're the real deal. And that's just how branding works. It's all about perception. And whatever somebody perceives is their reality. One of the cool things is that when I wear my t-shirts around people, or I wear a sweatshirt with my logo on it, my friends will be like, oh, yo, man, that's cool, yo. I'm trying to get me one of those. And of course, if I can, I'll hand one out. It's a great way for free promotion and advertising. And also, in the eyes of others, it just makes your company look that much more legit and bigger than it actually may be. And never underestimate the power of a free t-shirt. Giving somebody a free t-shirt with your logo on it will do way more than you may think. So now let's jump into how you can use it to your advantage. What you'll start to notice is as you get more and more involved in your business, you'll have a group of people that you usually continue to do work with. Having your logo on various things will help that brand recognition grow. For example, when you're sending somebody an invoice, your invoice should definitely have your logo on it. When you're going to meet up with a client, if you have a notebook that has your logo on it, that definitely helps as well too. Having a logo definitely helps when you're in smaller communities and organizations. So if you belong to different organizations or different networking groups, when you have your logo out there, especially if you have it where it's nice and visible and people can actually see it, for some reason, it just seems like your business is so much bigger than it is. Think about it. You might see people who work for different companies and they'll walk around with their company t-shirt on and they'll just have so much pride in it. Well, you should be doing the same thing. If you can make a company t-shirt, you should be having pride in it as well too. And the thing about it is that you can actually have fun with it. It's really nice to see your logo on something because it even makes your company seem bigger in your own eyes. If you got it on a notebook, if you got it on a sweatshirt, you got it on a t-shirt, you can be walking around like, hey, look at me. And what's even better is that it's all a tax write-off because it's all part of marketing and promotion. So in that sense, it helps in two ways because A, it helps market you to the people that you're trying to get recognized by, and B, it helps with your bottom line. And remember, like I've been saying throughout this whole video series, it's not about the whole world recognizing your logo. It's about the people that you want to connect with the people that you want to do business with, recognizing your brand and your logo. Now, in previous videos, I've talked about how you can get your logo created. I've also talked about different ways that you can put it to use, like I did in this video. So go back, check out some of those other videos because I'll be sharing tricks, tools, and resources that you can use to build up your personal branding in a cost-effective way. So hopefully you found this video useful and helpful, and if so, give me a like, drop me a comment, let me know where you guys are at right now on your creative journey. And for all my people out there who are trying to build a life on their terms and get it how they live, this is your man Jonathan Moore, and I'm signing out. Peace.